Hello everyone, this is Jorge and this is my week 6 final project part 2. In this activity, we are working on two more collections with Crud operations, the authentication and testing, right? We have here some of the learning objectives and the assignment description, all right? So we're going to keep moving on that. We're going to show this part when we work on this, we make some improvements on the server. We add the user test file, the task test file, the groups test file, and the goals test. All right. This is for the 4 collections that we're working on. All right. So we're going to keep moving on that, and we are going to the terminal to get a new terminal window, and we're going to do the command not server.js. All right. If we go like that, we are going to make our project work. If we're working right here, but we can try that again, and it's still working. All right. We can also see the part that we work on, that is the test. All right. So we run the test. We are going to have the test that we're working on, and the test pass. All right. So this part is working as well. And we're going to keep moving on this part of the test tracker API, that you can see that the 4 of our collections are working. And we don't have the chance to just like make everything work, each operation, but we're going to try some of them, right? We're going to try it out right here, and we see, right, our users. Then, for example, let's say that we want to get a user by ID. So we're going to copy one ID from this one, from Chinjun, all right? We're going to copy the ID. We are going to close this one, and we are going to get it by ID right here. We expect to get try it out, okay. To get the information for Jingxun, you remember that? It's right there. Qingjun, I'm sorry. All right. So we're going to keep moving on that as well to make sure that everything is working, or all okay, like that. Sorry. So we're going to move them to groups to get, for example, try it out and get all our groups that we already have. And let's say that we want team 8, just info about team 8. And we're going to find that we can see that right here. We're going to try it out, and we are going to paste the ID to get that info from team 8. All right, this is working as well. Okay, that's good. We make these new collections, and we're going to try it out and execute. And right here we find our collections about tasks, right? Let's say that we're working on this task of build an API called Task Tracker API, all right? So we're going to try to find that by ID. This is the one, all right? We're going to copy that and paste it right here. And you can see that our description is the same one, build an API called Task Tracker API, all right? Let's say, for example, that we want to maybe just delete task from here. That would be this one, build an API called API, the one with the B9 ID, all right? B9, that's the end of the ID, we're going to delete it, the one with B9. We're going to try it out. We're going to paste the ID B9, and we're going to receive that you don't have. Okay, no problem. We have to have access in that part, but this is working as well, all right? So we're going to, for example, go on try it out and execute right here, and we're going to see our info right there, okay? This is for goals. This is for goals. So our title for is build a trust therapy with no yes. All right. Let's say that we want to just get this one to lose 10 pounds. Let's try that out and see how it works. Get it by ID right here. We're going to try it out and we are going to paste it right here. We're going to get just the info, right? Just that one. Is any other? Is any another right here? It's just like the one that we're requesting. And yeah, so this is our collections that we work on. As you can see, we have now 4 collections: users, groups, tasks, and goals, right? And we make also our test part, and we work on that on this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.